To add, remove, or reorder buttons on the Galaxy Watch quick panel from Samsung Galaxy S25 Ultra, go to the app screen, find wearable app, and then tap it. Tap quick panel. To add a button to the quick panel, tap the plus icon on the desired button under available button section. To remove a button from the quick panel, tap the red minus icon on the required button on the quick panel section. While to reorder buttons on the quick panel, you can drag and drop the required button to change its position. Once done, tap Save to save the change. To see the result on your Galaxy Watch, swipe down its screen to view the quick panel. As you can see that the buttons on the quick panel has been customized as you said before. As a note, managing quick panel buttons on your Galaxy Watch, such as add, remove, or reorder buttons, will make it easier for you to access your favorite features, keep your panel organized, and help you use your watch with more efficiently. Okay, thank you for watching. Please help to like and subscribe. Have a nice day.